Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to surrender on the Team Fight Tactics or the TFT. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open that game into your PC if you already have it downloaded. If you don't, you'll have to go and open it or download it through the right client. And if you have that downloaded, this will be cool, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through whatever browser you're using. For me, in this case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser. Once you open your browser, go to the URL section and type one of those. Type download League of Legends, or type download Teamfight Tactics, or type download Riot Client. All of those three, what I said, will actually take you into the link that will download the Riot Client for you, and from there you'll be able to download whatever game related to Riot games. Once you download it, install it and open it up with the search if you want, or through your desktop. And of course, once it's open, you'll find yourself on the home screen or main screen like this. And here, as you can see, you'll find the games that is already installed or downloaded into your PC. If you have the Team Fight Tactics here, you can just go and look it up. But if you don't, you'll have to scroll down a bit until you find this all games. Make sure to click on Team Fight Tactics from here. And from here, you'll be able to install the Team Fight Tactics through the League of Legends if you want to play it on your PC, through the App Store if you want to play it on your phone or iPhone, and through the Google Play if you want to play it on Android. Of course, once you download it, you can just go back into here and open it up. Of course, if you have an account, you will have to log in into it. They'll ask you to do that, but if you don't have an account, you can just go and create one. You will not be able to create an account here in Riot Games. You can just go into this URL section again into your browser and type create a League of Legends account, create a Valorant account, create a TFT account, create a Riot Games account. All will take you to the same place to create your account, then log in into it, and then you'll have to go and find the game for yourself. Once you find the game, you'll find yourself you're in a board like this, which is the TFT. And if you want to surrender, simply click at the escape button. And as you can see, you'll find the surrender here. Make sure to click at surrender and click at surrender again. And that will surrender the game for you. For me, I don't know why I have reconnecting here. That's why it did not close the game. For you, it will close the game directly once you click at surrender, and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.